This is my second bike build that I done this year. In the winter I've been building a couple of bikes. I bought a GT Palomar, I think that's how you say it, mountain bike frame, and I painted it with a kind of a marble effect, if you can see that. It's came out pretty cool. You paint it black and you dab it with silver, and then you spray it with a transparent red, and then you put a couple clear coats on it. Put a 11 speed cassette on it. It's a reasonably big one. I didn't go too big. The derailleur, I got the wrong one. It has to have two of these. It has to have another little piece to it to be matching up with the two in the front. The first one I got was a 1x and it didn't work, and then I bought the second one. Put a lightweight crank on there, changed the bottom bracket. The front derailleur is the same as what it came with. I drilled some new holes in here, put another bottle cage on, got a seat shifter on there that I've had for a long time. It's see, it just can move it backwards and forwards. It'll go back. It's got a little handle here that you click on that, and then you can push it back. I don't know if you can buy them anymore. I've had it for years, and I just thought I'd put it on there. It makes it easier when I want to lean forward on the bars to have the seat more forward, or even put the seat backwards when you want to go up a hill. Just thought I'd try it. Might take it off later. Jones bars, and then I put, this is called a Narwhal bar, and it's spelled with a G, not like the whale narwhal. It's GN. Jones guy has one of them. I was like, I'd like to have two, just so that I can grab on with both hands here. I can sit like that, like that, like that, like that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 positions. The wheels I got from AliExpress. They come perfect condition. What did I do? The brakes are just the normal V brakes. The sticker, taking souls. Well, if you look it up, it's a David Goggins thing. Taking souls. I like David Goggins. I didn't change out this headset. It's too much work for me to do that, so I just put in an extender, put in this thing here, and I like it a little bit higher because I'm older. And that's for my phone. I got a phone on my computer. I can put either one in there. Yeah, that's it. Same as my other bike, I put a derailleur cage on here to stop it getting broken if it falls over. I put a little rubber protector on there because the chain was always slap on there. The light's kind of cool. I can't get it working. I must not have it charged. Gotta charge it up. Well, that's kind of it. But I just put this up on YouTube. I don't think I've seen anyone put 2 Narwhal bars on a Jones bar before.